Hello, guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku, second puzzle in this additional of yesterday's newspaper. Yes, yesterday's newspaper, Wednesday, October the 6th, 2021, because today we have no extra puzzles, no additional. So I have decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in the yesterday's newspaper. There are 2 puzzles left, 2 stars, Sudoku and a tectonic with 1 star. First, I will solve this baby, and this one will be number 3504. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Plus 2 is 11. Plus 3 is 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Printed digits, of course. 26 printed digits is a 2-star Sudoku. For 2-star Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have 3 ones. 3 2s, 3 3s, 3 4s, 3 5s, 1 6, 3 7s, 3 8s, 4 9s. Okay, 4 9s. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about, of course, number 9, but I cannot fill the numbers with the 9. Yeah. Let me try another digit. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. There 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. There 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Alright. 2, 7, 3, 5, 5. 5 in this column, first column, 5 in the second column. So third column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5, 5. Then 6, 8 in this row, 8 in the third row. So in the row between the middle row, the second row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 9. Well, we have 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. So the 6 could be here, could be there. So we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes. In the third row, 6 in the first row. So in the row between, the only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in the second row for the numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing, 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, we see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. Then 8, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in these 3 boxes. There, an 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. So we have 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 8 in the last row. So the row between, the only place for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. Alright, and I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 6. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can't be a 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. Alright. Alright. Then, we have a pair. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see a 909 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 goes together with the 8 as a pair. Okay, so the other 3 missing numbers are the 1 is missing, 2, 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5. Look, we have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 5 and 4. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. 5, 5. Okay, we have a pair. 1 and a 5, sorry, 1 and a 5 in the last row. 1 and a 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 5, 1 and a 5. So 1 box left in this big square for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. Alright. 6, 6. Okay. And we have a pair. 6 and a 4 in this row. 6 and a 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places for the 6 and the 4 should be in those 3 boxes. 6 and a 4. We see here 4 and a 6 in this column. So no 4 and a 6 in this box. The 4 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 4. Okay. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. Yes, 7 is missing. Here pair, here pair, there pair. 3 pairs in this row. So in this big square we have a pair left. 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Okay. 1 in this row. 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 there. So this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 5. Okay. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 5. Alright. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 7 and the 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So we have a 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So the last column, the only place for the 3 should be there. Alright. Then. How about the number? These 2 numbers in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. 8 and a 9. 7 and 9. We see a 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and then 9 goes there. Then. Okay. How about, yeah. One number left in the third row. For the number 3 is missing. 1, 2, 3, yes. Now we have a 3 there, so this box gave me 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 2. Alright, let me see. Okay, and we have a pair, 1 and a 3 in this column, 1 and a 3 in the first column, so the column between the second column. The only 2 places for the 1 and 3 should be in those 2 boxes as a pair, 1 and a 3. We share 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 number left in the second column. 1, the 2 is missing. Yes, the 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1 number is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 4 and a 9. We have a 9 there. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. This box should be a 6. Alright. Now we have 2 numbers left in the third column. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 and 8. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Alright. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can see. This is number 2. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And all the 1's are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 1. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 3. Alright. Okay. Then. How about? Yeah, which number can I pick? 1, 2, 3, 4. The 8. 8. 6, 7, and 9. 6, 7, and 9. 6. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. 7 is missing. 8 and a 9 is missing. 6, 7, 9. 6, 7, 9. And look, we have a 7 and a 9 in this column. So no 9 and a 7 or 7 and a 9 in this box. The 7 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes. 7 and a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 6. Alright, 1 box left in this big square for the number 6. Alright. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column, the 8 and the 9, 8 and the 9, we have a 9 there. No 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 8. Then 1 box left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 box left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Wow. Are you pleased with the time? Is this really a 2 stars? No. I think it's rather a 1 star, and I like this puzzle. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the third and last puzzle in the yesterday's newspaper, and it will be a tectonic with 1 star. See you then. Bye bye for now.